Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for this segment, we have Dave Ripley, Chief Operating Officer at Kraken, one of the world's largest crypto exchanges, to discuss Kraken's multi-million-dollar investment in a new accessible NFT platform, as well as a suite of educational resources to bridge the knowledge gap and address many misconceptions in the ecosystem. Dave, it is great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks, and tell us about this new platform.
Sure, happy to. Great to be here. So yes, as you mentioned, we just launched our splash page and invite list for our new Kraken NFT platform. We think we're bringing a number of new exciting things to the NFT space with this launch. First and foremost, individuals are going to be able to custody their NFTs in their Kraken client accounts, which brings our world-class security to this space. They'll also have the ability to access a Kraken-built marketplace where they'll be able to, buy, sell, trade NFTs right on our platform, which will actually provide the ability to buy and sell NFTs without actually paying any gas fees. At the same time, individuals are going to have, and our clients will have the ability to still interact with all of the on-chain aspects of NFTs and blockchains. And so they'll be able to easily deposit and withdraw their NFTs. And then lastly, we'll also have a way in which individuals can access the on-chain marketplaces themselves. So it will be a hybrid where they'll be able to access both the Kraken-built custodial marketplace and then also open on-chain marketplaces. So we think it's really an opportunity to bring our world-class security and service to this space and kind of combine the best of both worlds, which is what we've done historically in crypto.
And Dave, why is now the right time to launch a platform such as this?
Yeah, well, great question. So, NFTs as a technology have actually been around for a long time, dating all the way back to, the early concept of non-fungible tokens has been around for a decade plus at this point in time. And over the past couple of years, and really over the past 6 to 9 months, we've seen massive growth in this space and in adoption and interest, borne out by a huge number of new use cases. And we do think that where the NFT space is at now is similar to where Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general were about 10 years ago when Kraken came into the place and brought a fantastic service with ease of use, security, and a number of different things that really benefit our clients. And we think this is the perfect time for Kraken to come into the space.
And if we look towards the future, what's your outlook when it comes to NFTs and all these newer technologies that are now becoming part of our mainstream vocabulary? It almost seems as if they're becoming as ubiquitous as mobile and social media use is.
Yeah, that's certainly our perspective. We actually see that the non-fungible token world has the same size potential as fungible token world. So, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all of the cryptocurrencies that we've known over the past decade, we see that the size of this NFT space is actually similar in magnitude. Obviously not today, but if we kind of look ahead over the next 5, 10 plus years, we really believe that to be the case.
And finally, what is the importance of investor education and what are the new resources that are available on Kraken?
Yeah, so that's a great question. Glad you mentioned it. There's a number of different things. So first off, we are bringing a number of different educational tools to the platform. We already have some of those available on platform. Additionally, upon launch, we'll be launching with a whitelisted set of collections and NFTs that we've actually vetted ourselves and gone through our review process. And so providing further protection at the onset for individuals and our clients. And then most interestingly, we'll be providing rarity score data, which is incredibly helpful information to our clients to understand which NFTs they view as most attractive, desirable, rare, that then therefore it kind of influences their attractiveness to own.
All right. Sounds interesting. I can't wait to check out those resources. Dave, thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Great. Thanks, Jill.